The Haitian Artists Assembly of Massachusetts recently published Migrating Colors, Haitian Arts in New England, featuring 30 Haitian artists from the New England area, the result of 20 years of collaboration. To me, this is more than an art book. This is an act of love, a tribute to our motherland, a tribute to our culture. A tribute to artists from Jacmel who have collaborated with New England Haitian artists since the earthquake of 2010. Each artwork carefully chosen to offer a glimpse of Haiti, but also to foster conversations, meaningful conversations about beauty, motherhood, art, culture, migration, history. This book can be a great gift for any occasion. A gift for you to showcase in your living room, to foster conversation between you and your family, conversations between you and your visitors, between you and anyone who wants to know Haiti or anyone who wants to know about Haiti. Get your copy of Migrating Colors for $40 plus shipping by calling this number. Also, by going online using this link.